A 450mm cutting blade with a cutting capacity of up to 32mm, driven by a 23cc low emissions 2-stroke engine, gives you the power to tackle even the most challenging hedging and trimming jobs. Open the box and you'll find all of the assembly is done for you. Along with your hedger, you'll also find the all-important owner's manual, a maintenance tool and a calibrated fuel mixing bottle to make mixing your 2-stroke fuel easy. Keep the guard on the blade whenever the machine's not in use. Before you get started, make sure you thoroughly read the owner's manual to familiarise yourself with the features and safe operating use of your new trimmer. Fill the fuel container with 500ml of clean unleaded fuel, and then using the increments on the bottle, add the appropriate amount of 2-stroke oil. Outdoors, in a well-ventilated position and on a level surface, remove the fuel filler cap and fill to near full with the 50:1 fuel mix. To start, push the red start switch in the main handle forwards to the starting position. Pump the fuel bulb 7 times. Push the choke lever to the closed or cold position. Pull the starter cord out gently until you feel resistance, then pull hard a few times until the engine starts to kick over. Switch the choke back to the open or hot position, and then pull the starting cord a few more times until the machine starts properly. Allow to idle for a minute or two to warm up before use.